Welcome back. Now, IndusInd International Holdings has completed the acquisition of debt-ridden Reliance Capital by transferring the entire bid amount to the lenders. Now, chairman of the group, Ashok Hinduja, said that they will only keep the key entities of Reliance Capital to avoid any litigations post the acquisition. Listen to what he had to say.
On Reliance Capital, there are about 3940 subsidiaries. So we have also reviewed that out of these 3940 subsidiaries, how many of them should be kept and how many of them we should exit, because most of them are shell companies and lot of transactions have happened. So we said rather than post-acquisition, there may be a lot of litigations. We don't like to do that. We are in the business of two major insurance companies, RCAP as a holding structure, all other companies. I think post-acquisition in 2, 3, 4 weeks, the board will meet, board will take a call, and hopefully they will decide whether we keep or we exit from all those companies.
Right. In fact, our colleague Shilpa also spoke with the management of Reliance General Insurance and Reliance Nippon Life Insurance on their Reliance Capital acquisition. More importantly, the expectations of the business going ahead as well. So let's hear this conversation out.
I think overall business has done well in spite of all the headwinds and all the media news that used to come, and there were days when we used to discover from the press on what is happening and what is not happening, but overall business has continued to do well thanks to efforts of the management and team, etc. The acquisition now gives us opportunity to move into bancassurance. Like we spoke about the bancassurance opportunity, and we know there is an opportunity in building the bancassurance business, and that's a clear short-term step to be able to do.
Correct.
Other than that, there are a fair amount of businesses around the Hinduja group and around IIHL, other entities, which we can now have access to.
Right.
Besides that, I think the big one now is that now everything around the branding is settled, and hopefully there's a new brand. We use that to drive energy, and we use that to dispel any misgivings in the market to be able to grow the franchise further.
I think insurance is a long-term story. We should not really see the growth in a context.
Right.
Coming to Reliance General Insurance, I would say that we are still growing faster than the industry growth rate, even in the transition period. And that really gives us the confidence that with this transition and with the very strong brand name of Hinduja's and in the IndusInd, we should be able to even accelerate better.
Correct.
So our objective is to really take the opportunity in insurance with this brand transition and make a lot of value, for different stakeholders. We are already growing double digit. The growth for us, industry growth is about 6.5%, 7%. If you really see till now, and we are growing about 10 to 11%.
Right.
So, structurally we are growing 1.5 times the industry growth rate. But I would say that the growth of 10, 11% can still be exceeded the way we really tap the insurance requirement. And the industry growth obviously will bounce back, with the economy picking up in the next few months.
Some important comments coming in there. We take a short break. On the other side, we get you some more buzzing stocks from the broader markets. They include the likes of Lemon Tree Hotels and Tata Communications. Stay tuned.